Begging for what?
Yeah, I got this for you. Baby, guess what?
Guess what?
Kids don't know. My birthday is coming soon.
Of course, I know. I know that your birthday is coming.
Yeah, that's why I love you, baby. You always keep updates of my birthday. Wow, that making my boo boo.
Oh, because your birthday is coming. Do you not remember me? You think I don't know?
You know what?
That you are dating John, Samson, Philip, even Director Baba. You think I don't know? So you don't want me to come and do the birthday? Shut up! You don't want me to come and do the birthday for you? For what? You lie.
Baby, you are a very staging guy. Plus, at the end of my birthday party, you always look for an excuse to give. So you'll be running for expensive. This thing that baffles me most is after the birthday party, you be coming to beg me, maybe I'm sorry, this, that I love you, you're my everything.
Me beg?
Yes.
Beg you for what? Me beg you when you are sitting on me. Oh, God will punish beg. Beg you when you are sitting on me. Are you stupid? Me beg the grace for what? Why will I beg you? See, let me tell you, Champion, or whatever your name is, it is over between us. It is over. This relationship. Don't beg me. Don't beg me.
Please now, you know I love you. Baby, you're my world best, so you know now. You know that you're my husband. Baby, you know I can die for you.
Die for who? It is over.
Good afternoon, sir.
It's one of them. Young man, who are you and what are you doing in my house?
I am Babs by name. I am actually looking for Chantel.
I said it. It's one of your boyfriends.
No. You young man, excuse me. What is the meaning of this? You don't even know who you are talking to.
And don't talk to me in my own house.
I went to your house and they gave me a description of this place that you went to see your boyfriend.
Hey, boyfriend.
Baby, calm down.
It is over.
Do you know who is kneeling down before you?
And then,
Stand up.
if you like, you need a nothing 1 million years. It is
Chantel.
over.
Chantel, what is the problem? Anyway, I don't want to get pissed off here. I came in respect of the message your dad sent me from the United States of America down to this place. So,
Thank God. Our dad, take this girl away. You report you go and knock back, deliver the message in the house.
you know the words of the lady you are talking to. You won't be talking the way you are talking. Anyway, your father sent down from the United States a jeep for you. And the bag with me worth $350 US. That you can use to buy some certain things before you come over. You know your father is getting older by the day.
Hope he's not going to die.
No. He said it's out of it. Your father is kicking like a young man. But all he needs is for you to come over to the United States and take over his business. He also said that any man of your choice you want to get married to also come along with you.
Baby, my love, honey, darling, my heart desire, my emotion, my treasure, mommy, my what?
Can we
leave? Hey, don't come and cause quarrel between us. What gather them together? Let no man put asunder. Will you marry me?
Are you for real?
Yes.
You are very stupid.
Wait, where do you want to do your birthday? Hexagon, Side Center, Joker, Siweba, 4040, name it.
Are you done naming it? In case you don't know, it's over between us. Yeah, and now.
I was just joking. Don't you know I'm a comedian?
Let's go.
It's over.
Waka.
Waka.